Welcome to Sorghum in the Kitchen. I'm Chef Chase Obenchain with the Sorghum Checkoff. Today we're talking about all the ways you can cook with sorghum flour. So, let's start with the basics. There are two main types of sorghum flour, whole grain and pearled. Whole grain sorghum flour is simply whole grain sorghum milled into a flour and has a rich, nutty flavor that brings depth to fried foods, sauces, and is incredible for thickening soups and stews. Pearled sorghum flour is pearled grain sorghum, or grain that has the bran and the germ removed. It has been milled down into a flour. It has a more neutral flavor, so think of it as your go-to substitute for all-purpose flour in just about any recipe. I love using pearled sorghum flour in baked goods like muffins, brownies, cookies, and quick breads. It gives a soft crumb and can easily blend with other flours or serve as a standalone flour itself. Just remember to add a binder like eggs, starches, or xanthan gum to help with structure in any of your purely gluten-free recipes. Whole grain sorghum flour also makes an excellent base for frying batters and breadings, so you can use it to coat things like chicken tenders, onion rings, or vegetables because it delivers a light, crispy texture that holds up well and feels like a lighter twist to your traditional fried foods. I also love using whole grain sorghum flour for thickening soups and sauces like a classic cream gravy to go with your biscuits in the morning or as a base for your spicy Cajun gumbo. And let's not forget about waffles. This is a recipe I make all the time at home for my family, and now you can too. Sorghum flour captures air like traditional all-purpose flour to create a beautifully light, fluffy waffle with a crisp golden crust and a soft interior. All the things you really want in a good waffle. There are even sorghum flour blends available for specialized uses, like frying or baking. So whether you're looking for function or flavor, sorghum flour is incredibly versatile and has a place in every kitchen.